The future of gardening. 2025 hacks for a smarter vegetable garden. In 2025, gardening isn't just about digging, watering, and waiting. It's about integrating technology, climate-smart practices, and eco-conscious choices to grow food smarter, not harder. Whether you're cultivating a rooftop space in the city or maximizing a backyard in the suburbs, this year's top trends are all about making your garden more productive, resilient, and beautiful with minimal effort. Let's start with the buzz around climate-resilient gardening. Due to unpredictable weather patterns and water scarcity in many regions, gardeners are now prioritizing drought-tolerant vegetables and native plants. Vegetables like amaranth, okra, sweet potatoes, and certain heirloom tomatoes are trending because they thrive in extreme conditions. Raised beds with biochar-infused soil improve water retention and help reduce the watering frequency, which is perfect for busy urban gardeners. Pair that with mulch made from recycled paper or natural bark, and you've got a low-maintenance, high-yield setup that fits the eco-forward mindset of 2025. Another game changer is companion planting 2.0. This ancient practice has taken on a modern twist thanks to AI gardening apps that suggest personalized planting pairs based on your microclimate and soil conditions. In your garden, basil next to tomatoes is a classic. But now, gardeners are mixing marigolds with cabbages to repel root maggots or planting carrots with onions to confuse pests. These pairings not only boost productivity, but also make your beds more colorful and aesthetically pleasing. Rows aren't the rule anymore. Spiral gardens, hexagonal planting beds, and layered food forests are becoming the go-to styles that look great and work even better. Lighting has also entered the gardening world. Not just for aesthetics, but also these compact devices double as garden lights and supplemental UV boosters for container vegetables, like lettuce, herbs, and dwarf peppers. Powered completely by solar energy, they collect sunlight during the day and emit low-spectrum light at night, extending growth cycles during cooler months. Plus, their sleek, minimal design fits perfectly in a modern garden aesthetic and looks awesome on social media. No need for wires, plugs, or timers. Just plant and glow. Last but not least is the rise of no-dig, regenerative beds for time-poor gardeners who still want maximum yield. These garden beds are created by layering organic materials directly on top of grass or soil without disturbing the ecosystem underneath. Start with cardboard, then pile up compost, straw, kitchen scraps, and more compost. Over time, it becomes a nutrient-rich, weed-suppressing bed that requires almost no upkeep. This technique supports biodiversity and keeps your soil biome healthy, making your garden practically self-sustaining. You get lush zucchinis, kale, and beans without ever having to till or weed aggressively. The garden of 2025 is not just a patch of dirt with veggies. It's a smart, stylish, and sustainable space that blends ancient wisdom with modern innovation. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned green thumb, this year's trends will make your garden not only more productive, but also Instagram-worthy.